Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add background image in a new atomic Elementor editor. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using flexbox for atomic element. Now you see, and then you see edit flexbox. So click on it, and then on left side you see multiple option, general, style, and then you see interaction. So click on style. So this is Elementor new layout, and then you see background. So click on it, and then in background you see overlay, color, clipping. So click on overlay. Now you see plus icon. So click on it, and then you see background placeholder. So click on it, and then you see image. So select image or upload, or if you want you can insert URL, so it's up to you. Now we are going to select image, so click on it. So we are going to select this image and then click on insert. Now you see image edit, and then you see resolution. We select full position, so you can set position according to requirement. We set center, and then you see repeat. You see multiple option, repeat, horizontal, repeat, vertical, y-axis, or no repeat. So we select no repeat, and then you see size, auto, cover, contain, custom. So we set cover. Now you see, and then you see attachment, fix, or scroll. So you can set according to requirement. So now we set background image, and then we are going to add background overlay color. So click on it. Now you see plus icon, so click on it. Now you see again multiple styling. Now go to color. So we set color. Now you see background overlay color added on background image in new Elementor atomic builder. Again click on it. So we added background image, and then we added color. So in this way you can add background image in Elementor new editor. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.